How high should kitchen cabinets be? Kitchen renovation brings numerous opportunities for creativity. The bottom cabinets seem fairly straightforward. The top cabinets present a bit of a quandary. How high should kitchen cabinets be? Although returning your cabinets to the standard height might tempt you, you can also explore other measurements to find what authentically works best for your family's needs. Why height matters. If the upper cabinets don't leave much space between their base and the countertop, you won't have much functional countertop space. From the floor, this position allows for easy viewing, reaching, and restocking. From the kitchen counter, when installing cabinets above countertops, you want to position them similarly to cabinets above the floor. However, you must consider a second factor, the area between the countertop in relation to the height of the upper cabinets. If you want to place cabinets above your stovetop, you'll need more space to protect the cabinets from oil, steam, and splashing ingredients. Electric stoves need at least 30 inches of space. When to consider different measurements? This often applies to households that include people with limited mobility. Where customization comes in. Average occupant height. If you have a household of people with mixed heights, you could work with your contractors to design a set of cabinets that satisfy each person's needs. Kitchen feature accommodation. Kitchen design accommodation. Varied storage capabilities. Whether you want minimal yet practical storage to amplify space or expanded cabinet storage for more cookware, you'll find exactly what you want with a custom cabinet maker. How high should kitchen cabinets be? As long as you have room to work efficiently and have no fire hazards, the sky's the limit.